husband doesn't have to pay anything. I'm single. It's my police that I pay my taxes.
Road, step on the sidewalk.
On March 18th, 2024, Orlando Police Department OPD officers were patrolling the downtown area when they saw an intoxicated woman, Veronica, standing on the side of the road, loudly yelling at police cars as they passed by. Her husband was with her, standing nearby and trying to control the situation. The police stopped their car to approach.
No, you can't pull me over and I'm 100% legal. No, it's not my wife. Give me my license, give me my ID, give me everything. Give me everything, and my police that I pay my taxes for will pull me over. I pay them taxes, and I will.
I'm trying to avoid all this, and
it's not even avoiding all this. I pay y'all taxes. I pay y'all to. I know. I pay y'all taxes. I pay y'all to deal with your have to do. No, I love it. I love it. I'm a.
So how can we figure this out?
Like I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
How can we make this?
It's not even making it better. Like he's trying to threaten me. Oh, this police about to get me. I love my police. I love y'all.
He's not trying to threaten. He's just trying to...
No.
Okay.
He's threatening me. He's threatening me. All these people about to pull me over. I'm like, oh, pull me over. These are my people. These are y'all. You're my people.
Right.
You're my people.
Yes.
I pay you.
Yes.
You're my people. You're my people.
Yes.
Pull me over. So what?
Okay.
So what? Pull me over. Now what?
Do you want to go home today?
I do. I want to go home tonight.
How come
I work in healthcare. I want to go home Monday morning. I want to work Monday morning. So I do. I love it. I love working in healthcare. I love working.
You guys parked out.
No, it's my car. It's not his car. Why are you asking him?
Can he? Because you're obviously not
it's cute.
tonight,
It's
right?
cute. Okay,
Right?
cute.
Can we say
All right,
that's
cute.
fair?
All right, wait, cute. It's my car. And if I'm not driving, I'm Ubering. And if I'm not driving, I'm Ubering.
Do you want to have an Uber then?
I love Ubers.
Okay. Do you want to take an Uber to your house?
I
don't think it would be. I
Ubers.
don't think you need that because your husband's willing to take
I
you
don't
home.
need my husband.
I think you do.
I think I could afford my own Uber on my own. I think I could afford my own Uber on my own. Yeah. Period.
Indeed.
And when he threatens me with the cops are gonna pull you over, I can't afford my own Uber. I can do everything I want to do and take care of my people at the same time. I don't need my... Why are you asking?
Hi, Sean. Her husband's just trying to help her get home, and she's very intoxicated.
Whatever.
How can we fix this problem? I'm gonna talk to you. I don't know why. How can we fix this
I've
problem?
been driving around looking for. It started with I tried to go. I got the car from her parking garage and told her she didn't want to walk with me. She said her foot was hurting, so I said,
Do you want to go grab the car and we'll hang out here?
That's fine if she get in. Yeah.
We can't make her get in, right? And I know you're being the husband. You're being a good husband, right? If she wants to Uber home, I guess it's silly, right? But I guess to de-escalate, I can't. Like I said, we can't make her. Right? If she wants to Uber home, it's probably gonna suck. How far do you live?
About 5 minutes. I try to stop her.
5 minutes?
I try to stop her from peeing and right there.
I understand, and I know when she says that you're threatening her, it's with the cops. It's because you're trying to get up and stop being silly. She sounds very irate. So if you want to go, try to grab the car.
Okay.
Unless you want her to Uber home. I don't think you want.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go grab the car.
All right, buddy. Thank you.
When I say I'm my own person and my husband is unreliable, I can say I go myself. No, I promise you.
Which way is it then? If you were to walk more, which way?
It's Michigan. It's down orange. No. You're asking again. I explain.
Michigan Avenue?
Michigan Avenue.
My street?
So you'd rather take an Uber than go with your husband? Or what's going on?
She's talking about walking.
I would rather.
You cannot walk. You're not walking.
No, I can't. I've walked.
You're not walking home.
Babes, I've walked over to.
He's driving the car. So
babes, it's my car in my name.
Right.
That's fine.
Okay,
And,
then can
and you're
you-
an independent woman, and,
And
I
I
respect
am.
that you have your car.
And I would
But
love
listen,
to go home. I have to work
sometimes-
at 8 in the morning. I don't want to depend on nobody that can't take
Some
me. He can't take me to work, and I have to work at 8 in the morning. I have to pay
you have work at 8 in the morning.
I do. But bro,
So it sounds like you need to go home.
No, listen.
Okay.
I do have to go home. No, I do. It's funny. No, it's cute. It's cute. My birthday's March 24th, right? And I have to pay my taxes on my car to pay my registration. It don't matter what y'all have to do
Your
with.
car is coming, right?
My car is here. I
Your
have
car is going to
my
be
own
here,
car is
right
here.
Your car is
I
going
have to
to
pay
be
my
like right here in 5
registration
seconds.
to make sure I have to pay my taxes on my registration. Anyone that cares, don't matter. Oh no, unless it's me, it don't matter. I have to pay my own registration to make sure my car is drivable. My birthday's in a week. It's less than a week, and I have to pay my insurance, and I have to pay my fucking. Y'all listen to him.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, whatever.
What's going on?
Give me my license.
He-
Someone give me
he
my
has
license.
nothing.
Who has my license?
Yeah, we're just.
Who has
he's
my
grabbing
license?
You don't have your license.
Because y'all
They're not here for us.
entertaining that he doesn't pay anything I have to pay.
Your husband?
My husband doesn't have to pay anything. I'm single at this point. I'm single. I have to pay my registration, my taxes, my.
What are you trying to have done?
I'm trying to go home.
Okay.
I'm
Where's
trying to
home?
go home right now, 26th Street. Can you guys chauffeur me there?
You cannot.
Please.
So your husband's getting the car.
No, he's not getting my car. My husband is not getting my car.
So,
Please
if
don't
your
let him
husband-
get my car. Please don't let him get my car.
Why do
Please
you
don't.
not want him to get your car?
Because I'm my own person. I'm my own human being. I don't want him to get my car.
So you're married.
I don't want it.
Do you understand?
So
I'm going through an inauguration on my own part. He doesn't know about the inauguration, but I'm going through it. I want my own. Yes, inauguration.
What do you mean?
Do you not know what that is?
I'm asking
Do you know what that is?
No, I don't.
Inauguration.
Inauguration would be like you're getting like
Like elected for
elected,
something,
being
like,
put in a position of power.
of like presidency.
Like the
and
presidential.
stuff.
No, inauguration.
Yeah, that means like you're being.
You guys sound.
I'm
You-
sorry. Maybe
How old are you?
Maybe I'm uneducated. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
honestly, can you educate us instead of just
I know I will.
belittling us? Because that's what it is.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
getting married.
Okay.
Okay.
Cute.
Okay.
Getting divorced. That means you have to go through a whole system, whatever. Inauguration means you gotta get through a system where it's not even divorce, it's before divorce. Inauguration means you
Like a
will-
pre-divorce.
Like pre-divorce, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And it won't go on your record because it's not
Gotcha.
divorce.
Trial period
Inauguration,
kind of thing?
like a trial period, yeah.
Oh, okay.
And it's
Oh, that makes sense.
it's inauguration.
Right.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Probably not the right word, but I get what you're
No,
saying.
my thing is, I don't care. It might be inauguration, it might be divorce. I don't care. I want to go home. I want to go to
Okay.
home. I want to
Right.
go home Monday morning. I want to go to work Monday
Yes, it is
morning,
Monday
and I
morning.
don't
It's
care.
Monday morning.
It's Monday morning. I want to go to work. I want to go to work. I want to be able to pay my
You want
insurance.
you to get home.
I want to go home.
Okay.
So
I don't-
why would you not want your husband or to be whatever?
No, I want to go home. I want you guys to take me home.
that's not
please. I asked you.
We're not a taxi service.
I didn't ask you. I didn't ask you.
You just asked us 5 minutes ago if we can give you
Did I?
chauffeur you home.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
Yes, we can show for you.
All right, don't trouble me home then. Please, leave me be. Leave me be. Let me take my own car that I pay my own taxes and my own insurance and my own
No,
everything.
because
You do not drive.
Please.
That's out
So
the
am I
window.
supposed to sleep here?
No.
No.
Okay,
You should
so
probably
I'm-
be like the adult and get some
I'm an
kind of ride
adult.
service.
I'm an adult. I had tried to have this man chauffeur me home and I can't. And I
He's going to
can't.
get you.
Okay, no, it's not that. Okay, all right. Y'all leave me alone. Leave me alone then. I'm gonna sleep here.
Well, you're not going to sleep here because then you're going to go to jail for camping.
For what?
You can't sleep on the sidewalk.
You said I can't take myself home. I can't sleep here. What am I supposed to
We
do?
can't drive home.
can
We would really
take
like
yourself
for
home.
you.
Can you take me
Get an
home?
Uber.
No.
Yeah.
To you.
Okay, so what am I supposed to do?
Either you have your husband drive you in your car to your house, or you take an Uber. It's quite simple.
Okay.
You're in hell. You told me you're in
you
healthcare,
should have
correct?
said
You're an
that.
adult.
You
You
should
can
have
figure
said
it out.
that. You should have said that.
We did.
Okay.
So are you
No,
going to
you
get in the
did
car?
not. No, you did not.
Are you going to get in the car with your husband?
No.
So then your other option is
So I'm gonna
start
drive.
ordering the Uber.
Okay, I will.
Order it now.
Where's your phone?
No, he's so mad. I said, take me home or not. And you're being so mean to me. I will take you
No,
home.
I'm being adult to an adult. I'm telling you how it is.
No, I will. I have enough money to make some home.
Okay, so do you have a phone on you?
Yes, I do. My husband has it. I know where it is.
Okay,
You
where
guys
is your
don't
car
understand.
parked
I
at?
don't know. My husband
You don't know
has
where
it.
your
I
car
know
is
where it
parked. Okay,
is.
that's
I
good.
want to.
He's
I want
51
to go
over there.
home. You guys, I want
say where he was
to.
parked
You
at?
guys, I want to go
Like,
home.
2 blocks
No.
away.
No.
Oh, from 5?
I want to go home, please. I want to. I can afford my own Uber. I can afford it. Please.
Okay, that's good. That's a good start.
No, I can't. I want to. Please.
But we have to wait for your husband regardless. He has your phone for your Uber.
You guys, I want to go home. I could walk home. I could probably walk home from here.
You cannot, because you're telling me it's that way, and your house is the opposite
No,
direction.
my home is on 26th Street. I want to go home,
Where is 26th Street?
please. It's on Michigan and 26th Street.
Yeah, but where is that from here? Which way is it?
I just want to go home. I want to go home and I want to go to work tomorrow. It's funny to you.
No, not you.
It's funny to you.
No, man.
No, it's funny to you. Nick. It's funny to you. I want to go home. I want to go to work tomorrow. It's funny.
I'm not like
I wonder what.
No, it's not. I want to go home. I want to go to work. I'm going to go home.
No, home is not that way, man.
Any reason to hold her?
Indeed.
No.
Did I not call you guys?
You did not.
Did-
I rolled
didn't.
up.
I didn't.
I drove.
I didn't. I didn't
That's
call
my
you
fault.
guys, and you guys didn't meet me where I met y'all.
No.
And I want to go home. And I want to go home.
Okay. That's fine. We want to get you home.
And get me home.
Okay,
Why
well,
can't y'all get
we're
me
not
home?
a taxi service. You don't have your
You're
phone
not.
on you.
I have my own insurance. I have my own car. I have
We
my
know
own
you do.
insurance,
The
and I
problem
know-
is you're intoxicated. So you driving is
So
going
you
to
can't
harm
take
someone
me home
else.
intoxicated?
No.
So
We
if I
cannot
drive
drive you
myself
home.
you will
It is not
arrest
the
me.
responsibility of the Orlando Police
So,
Department
okay,
to take
okay.
care of a grown-ass
Orlando-
adult who did not prepare for
Orlando
the
Police
situation.
Department.
Yes.
If I said, hey, I'm intoxicated.
Yes.
And I want to get home.
Yes.
And I asked you to take me home. You would not help
and
me.
what we said to you is
And
you
do me a
have
favor,
the
step out
ability
of
to
the
get a ride
street. Step
share.
out of the street, man.
You don't have your phone on
No,
you,
don't.
right?
Step out
Your
of the street.
husband, you're on, get off of the roadway.
Step out of the street.
No.
Get
Listen.
off of the roadway.
I'm not
Get
in
off
the
of the
road.
road.
I'm not in the road.
You are on the road. Cars
Where's the
travel
road?
through here.
Where's the road?
Road.
Listen,
Step
you
on the
don't-
sidewalk.
I
All you gotta
promise
do is
you.
step on the sidewalk.
Bro,
Ma'am, if you don't get off the road, you will go to jail.
take me to jail.
Get
Oh my
off.
God.
Because I'm
Listen, the
asking
last
you
thing
guys
you want
to
to do is
take me
take you to
home.
jail.
I'm
Please
asking
just get
you
on the
guys to
sidewalk.
take me home, and you guys are not taking me home.
Your husband is getting your
I
car.
don't know. I don't want that. I want to go home on my
Okay,
own.
your husband is getting your car to
How do
take
you
you
know? How do
home.
you know?
Because he said he's going to get the car.
You
What kind
talk
of
to
car do you
him?
have?
Yes.
You
I
talk to
talk-
him?
Yes.
What kind of car do I have?
I'm asking you. I don't know.
You talk to him.
I'm guessing it's this car.
I don't know.
Is that it right there? It's a white, let me guess, a white Nissan Altima.
No, absolutely not.
Damn it.
There's
I'm sorry.
I'm
Did
gonna
random
go
stand at the door.
get my ass off the road because my husband's getting my car. What kind of car do I have?
I don't know. We're asking you.
I'm asking you.
She has no way to pay for it. She has no.
It sucks.
I don't know part of it. You guys
Oh, we're just
don't
waiting for the husband.
understand.
Once it's here, you'll have her phone. And
No, you guys don't
You won't be
understand. My husband has my phone.
yes.
My husband told you guys what car I'm
Yes,
in.
he's completely sober.
No,
I've
he's
seen
not
it.
He's completely sober.
You
Yes.
did not tell her.
He's completely sober. What about the bitch that's
You're not completely
need?
sober.
Okay, cute. What about the bitch that needs a ride home that doesn't want anything to do with her husband, and you're gonna entertain the husband? A girl that doesn't want anything to do with the husband, and you're gonna listen to the husband?
Trying to get your hopes.
No, say the girl that doesn't want to be abused by the husband, and you're gonna listen to the abuser. You guys don't understand that.
So then you
Why
can get
don't
your-
you guys understand that?
You can walk home.
No, I can't. It'll take an hour and a half, and I'm asking my authority that I pay fucking taxes to my authority and take me home, please take me home, and they don't want nothing to do with me. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Am I crazy or are they crazy? Because if I'm asking them for help and they want to shoot me like I'm crazy, I'm asking you. I begged you and you said no, your husband. No, I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. No, it's not even 3 options. I pay you guys. I've been paying you guys for 5 years. For 5 years since I've been in Florida. To take me, please help me. Help me. The first time I tell you help me, take me home. I want to go home.
What does it say on this card?
It says Orlando, City of Orlando.
What else?
City of Orlando. What else?
What does that say?
Police.
Oh, does that say taxi? We're not a taxi service.
I
Stop
know.
asking.
I didn't ask you for taxes. Did I ask you for? No, I didn't.
You did.
I asked you for take me home.
Oh my God, where is
Right,
your
that
husband,
would be like taking you, giving you a ride, like a taxi service.
I said don't take me to his location.
You said to take you home.
No, I said.
You asked us to take you
I said
home.
help me away from this man.
Okay, so again, we're trying to help you, but you're not.
Slow
Are you
down.
gonna walk home?
It's not even walking the right
Well, you said you could walk. I'm asking, are you
I
gonna walk
said
home?
I'm walking y'all to slow down. But that man has my car.
Listen.
That man has my car and my license and my everything. And y'all don't give no because it don't matter.
Ma'am, what's your name?
No,
So we can't take you home. How else can we help you?
I want you to take me
Well,
home.
we can't do that. So how else can we help you?
My name is Veronica. My father, the only person that can protect me is in California. And that's the only person that can have my license. And the only person that has my license other than my father, my husband, I can absolutely take me. Bro, you know what? If my father can't take me,
100%.
you guys,
No.
my people can take me. No, I
don't like the answer.
I asked you.
We are not a
I
taxi
asked
service.
you.
Is that your car?
That's not.
That's like a Nissan to me.
So it wasn't.
It was a Nissan Altima.
Nissan Altima, right? You have a Nissan Altima?
I didn't say what kind of
I know you
Yes,
have.
that's it.
Let's walk
I'm not feeling. I'm not feeling. I don't want it. I don't want it. I
So
don't
how
want
can we help you?
it. No, I don't want it.
Are you gonna walk home?
My own police.
Okay. So how can are you gonna walk home or are you gonna get in the car?
I'm not figure. I'm
You
gonna
gonna figure it out? All right, good. Just make sure that you stay out of the roadway, stay on the sidewalk, okay?
God! Shut the fuck up! Don't tell me I gotta stay out the fucking roadway.
I'm gonna tell you one last time. You either get off the road or you get in the car. You're gonna go to jail. So you tell
It's
me how
my
you want
car.
to have it. Then get in the car and go.
No, I don't want to get in the car. I asked you
Shut
for
the-
help.
Put your hands on me again.
Babe, I asked you. I asked you. I asked you.
Now you're going to jail for being
I
stupid.
asked them.
No, too much.
No, I asked you.
We're gonna help you stay out of the roadway, and we're gonna help find you somewhere to go now.
No, I asked him.
That's jail.
I asked him. I
All right.
wanted his help.
You're not your back here. You're back here.
That's my car.
You're the middle one. You just
I
hold on
asked,
back.
babe, I asked you. I didn't want no one. I didn't want to. I was gonna ask you. I wanted your help.
Now you got it. Now you got it. Now you're going to jail. Get in.
I'm sorry.
Now you're going to jail.
She was then transported to the Orange County Jail where she was booked and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer. Surprisingly enough, the officers did not charge her with public intoxication. Veronica was handcuffed and arrested after repeatedly standing in the street, refusing to obey police orders, and pushing an officer when asked to back off. She was taken to the Orange County Jail and charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, a felony in many states, for contacting and assaulting an officer while resisting arrest. Like, subscribe to the channel for more information.